Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I'm trying to be quiet because my roommate is still sleeping, but today I'm going to take you on a productive day with me. We are teaching from home, teaching virtually, because we are the product of a winter snowstorm here in Memphis. We literally cannot like drive, like my car won't move, like can't get anywhere. So we've been doing virtual teaching since yesterday, and then we will do it for sure tomorrow. But just like Memphis weather, it's supposed to be like 60 degrees next week. So today I actually got up. I have like a tiny bit of makeup on so I don't look so rough. I am making my coffee, and then I have to hop on Zoom with my kids in 9 minutes. So this is my setup. I'm using a FabFitFun box to prop up my laptop, and yeah, so it is 7:51 and we are going to meet on Zoom at 8 for like a morning check-in. All right, got my Dwight Schrute. I won this at a Dirty Santa thing this Christmas, and it may be one of my favorite things I got for Christmas. I have my planner set out and about to log on to Zoom, and we're getting a bunch of parent emails saying that they don't have internet. So how do you do virtual school with no internet? You don't. It's literally 3 minutes till there's a email. Good morning. Okay, so we are missing a few friends, but I'm gonna let them, a few trickle on. All right, just got off of our morning Zoom, and now I am just filling out my day, finishing up my coffee. I have like actually a lot of stuff I need to do today. Cleaning, I need to do laundry so bad, so I'm just like making my little to-do list. And then I'm gonna continue to write emails, do emails for another hour until we log back on, and we will do reading at 9:15. So we do reading and grammar. And then we'll take a break after that. I left Princess in here while I zoomed, and she has just been living the life. So don't really love virtual teaching, but I do love the outfits that I get to wear. All right, I've got quite a bit of laundry to do, and then laundry to hang up, and then more laundry to hang up. So I actually need to go through my closet and honestly throw everything out / give it away, because I have not touched half of my clothes this season. This is like my winter stuff, and I promise you I haven't touched like half of it. This is a box of things that need to go in the attic. A bunch of stuff from my childhood that I did want to keep. All right, I had to stop because it's time to come back to the office. I'm gonna be honest. This is just not it. It's not it. I want my classroom. These kids are like panicking because some of their internet is out. Like, y'all, it's okay. If the internet is out, we literally can't do anything about it. Oh my gosh, they're like blowing up me. Well, the kids are. March 3rd, supposed to be. Grader and tutoring her, and so I am about to log on and do that with her. This is the current situation, and if you look, you'll see my poor little car. So I'm gonna attempt to unfreeze her. She's got a lot of snow on her. I'm unhappy about this, but Memphis is not made for this. whatsoever. Okay, so a while later, my car has been dug out, but not without a lot of arm strength and willpower. My roommate is, what is she doing? Anyways, if you look here, Charlie, please stop. She got a lot better. So, yeah. But now I am tired. The dogs are demanding dinner, as you can tell. I think I'm gonna make myself some, or wash some grapes. I'm in the middle of doing laundry. And yeah, I got done with tutoring and I've just been busy today. Good morning. We are currently under a boil advisory, which means we have to boil all of our water because basically there's a chance of bacteria being in it right now. Can't use regular water, and if you know Memphis, you know this is a hard time for us because we have the best water ever. And now we can't drink it unless we boil it. And me and my roommate are not water bottle people. I'll probably be after just because this is traumatic, but we're not water bottle people, so we have no water bottles. So we've had to boil our water. So now I'm going to try to brush my teeth with water that has been boiled. That was weird. I was like, what the crap? This is still on the floor. Zooming with 8-year-olds means talking about icicles for the past 10 minutes. Last Zoom class.
I never got my hat that you gave me.
Made it to the vehicle! Why do you have these Oreos? We have cookies at home.